Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access, Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll down again, but this time click on the Privacy section and tap on Permission Manager. Finally, you can pick any of those options and select one of your apps. Then click on the best option for you to apply it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. If you see this kind of pop-up, just tap on don't allow anyway and go back. As you can see, after that, My Meet app no longer has access to this device's camera. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and look for an app that you wish to manage. Then select See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. And then select one of those features. Manage those options however you want to, only for this app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!